Hello, I'm the Zombie J. After a couple of days, well, more like a day or two, I don't remember, of not posting videos and trying to recover from the last 3 videos that I did. I'm not going to compose any lists or even list videos for a while, because those last 3 really sucked my soul. The soul juice is gone, you know, and it's taking a while to replenish the soul juice in my soul. Yeah, so hang on a sec. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review on a tripod. I got a tripod, finally! I got a new tripod from Walmart.com. It's called the Ultimaxx Accessories with No Limits 50-inch tripod. Boom, this is a long box. It's perfectly square, well, for the most part. But lengthwise, it's not. 3-year limited warranty. Yeah. Features, yeah. Yeah, this ought to be interesting. Designed for DSLRs and camcorders. Well, I got 2 camcorders, so there we go. So this was only $12 on Walmart.com, and so I figured, you know, that was probably the most affordable one for me to get at this time. So I couldn't go for anything that was more expensive because, well. So let's open this thing. I remember having a tripod that was probably shorter than this one, but also it's my first tripod, and eventually it broke, and it got to the point where one of the legs kept coming off, so I had to throw it away. Never got a new one since. All I had was this stupid, shitty desk tripod. Oh, it comes in a bag. Box. Hey, we got a bag here. That's cool. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna keep the bag. I don't really need it. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Unboxing and unbagging. Tea bag. Alright. So, there's that. Just put that in there for now. Okay. More unbagging to do. That's the goddamn plastic. Come on, stupid. Oh. Well, wouldn't that be fun, shoving up your ass? Put that right there. That's what she said. What is this? Is this a sticker? No. Register for your... No. Can't be bothered. That goes in the trash. Let's see. Get this out of here. Goodbye, plastic. Okay, what do we got here? So... Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's see. How does this work? Okay, that tightens things a little bit. Okay, so this is the one that goes for the thing. Yeah, okay. Very interesting aluminum build. Okay, so then interesting. So this is where the camera sits on, and okay, so I gotta plug this thing in. Into the hole it goes. Oh my god! Oh, there we go. There we go. Cool. And spread. Okay, that is a perfect size. It's actually bigger than I thought it would be. Hang on, the camera's being stupid. There we go. It's made of aluminum of some sort. That's cool. Alright, well this is interesting. Feels a little cheap somewhat. Maybe the plastic is the cheapest part of it. Okay, so we've got adjustable legs. Flip that. That goes out. Flip this one. Whoa. Okay, this is definitely full size. It's a little wobbly there, or whatever. Right. Cool. Let's see how far this can go. Whoa, all the way up. It's erect. Alright. Oh. Yeah, okay. This thing is a little rough, but it's only $12, so of course it's gonna be rough. Now the question is, how is this thing gonna look with my camera on it, my camcorder on it? And well, we shall find out. Okay, so I'm holding the tripod, and the camera is on the tripod. Those are my stacks of burnable discs. I did rearrange my desk, so this is my Windows PC, that's my Linux PC, and the Windows actual PC is down below. This is the tiny little shit desk tripod. We'll just set that over there. And yeah, so let's maneuver this around, shall we? Okay, so this is working so far. That's the door. It's a door. Yeah, so far I like this tripod. It's easy to move around the the control stick, for lack of better terms. Let's see what happens when I raise up the thing. Whoa, okay. It's definitely happy. Alright. Now, let's have it point towards me now. And here I am. Back there is my, well, desk setup, and back there is the window. And that's why you can barely see my face a little bit. So far I like this tripod. It seems to be pretty stable. It feels a little cheap, especially in the plastic, but the aluminum also feels kind of cheap. I don't know. This is probably the best quality you're gonna get for $12. I do like the simplicity of it. It does feel like a simply, you know, operable piece of equipment. Basically, I have the legs at full expand. I have the neck at full expand as well, or erect. And, well, this is pretty damn awesome, actually. So, I still have the box over here. Come here. Come here. There we go. So, Ultimaxx, I'd say this tripod is pretty damn good. It's probably not the best tripod out there, but it's a decent enough product that I could give my stamp of approval on. So, if you want a cheap but operable and usable tripod, look no further than Ultimaxx. You can get it on Walmart.com. And yeah, I like this thing. I'll definitely be using it. And the desk tripod, I will probably only be using if I need to use it for, you know, if the camera needs to be on the desk. in order to record Moha videos if I ever go back to doing that, because I haven't been doing Moha videos for a while now, and that's really pissing me off. So, but yeah, I can throw this box away. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this review, unboxing and review. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the bag for this thing. I'll probably just chuck it in a drawer somewhere, and that's it. So, well, yeah, that is that. So, I'll be having some reviews out for y'all today, hopefully, of some Lego stuff. And, yeah, prepare yourselves for that. And I am TheZOMBIEJ. I'll see you folks later. Have a good fucking day. Peace.